Welcome to the Virgocon Academy. Today we are showing you how to install a watertight hinged cover DVI-TW D3. Mount the 4 red anchor bases into the recess provided in the NEO base box first. After that, you fix the 4 spacer nuts into the subframe. Now snap the 4 bolts into the recesses in the cover and fit the table with extension nuts into the red anchor bases. Make sure they are tightened correctly. Important: now install the apparatus cups into the hinged cover first. Before mounting the hinged cover, you need to equip it with the apparatus cups plus associated modules and any blind plates. First and foremost, you place the modules 45 into the apparatus cups. These simply click in. Blind plates, if any, are mounted underneath the hinged cover with the clippable bases. Once this has been done, you install the completed apparatus cup with its slide-out red bases into the hinged cover. Connect the cables into the modules next.